Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another arrival from eBay. Now this one is rather special and just in the fact that I got this really cheap. This is a Marx 898, $4.99, and I was the only bidder. So I just want to do a grand unboxing. Now I only saw a couple of photos of this, bid on it, no one else bid on it, and I won it. So let's see what kind of condition this is in. Now I know the markers are missing. Uh-oh, styrofoam. But I have no real idea what kind of condition the locomotive itself is in. Let's see if I can get this out of here without making a complete mess. All right, there we go. All right, get this out of the way. All right, here is the locomotive. Now, like I said, I know it's missing the two markers. I have no idea what kind of condition it's actually in. All right, well, there's a business card. And there is the locomotive, a Marx 898, in fair condition, as you can see. Not terrible condition. Missing both of the markers. But other than that, it seems to be completely intact. No damage that I can see. All right, let's do a quick drop of oil and see if this will run. Always interesting to get a new locomotive. So, I'm going to go to the bearing for the armature. A few drops of oil there, and a few drops of oil on the output shaft gearing itself. Alright. And I'll put this on the outside rail. Let me grab the camera off the tripod. Alright. The Marx 898, $4.99. Now, as usual, I bought this for the motor. Always interesting when you can find something really inexpensive. Whether it runs or not, I have no idea. All right, power is on. We're on the outside rail. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Nothing at all. So it looks like, well, we should be getting power. Oh, there we go. That is a dirty armature and dirty brushes, guaranteed. So it said in the ad that this locomotive has been sitting for decades. Their words. All right. Running forward and reverse. Yeah, it's been sitting for a very long time. All right, well, it's running. So obviously there's no problem with the motor itself. All right, let's put this on a consist. We'll put it on the inside rail and see how this goes. Once this starts running, it'll scrape the oxide off of the brushes in the armature. It'll start running actually quite good. Oops, wrong one. All right, here we go. 898, $4.99, and it's already pulling a consist. Whoops, we came uncoupled. So the coupler's bent on the locomotive, no doubt. Wow, really bent. All right, let's do this. All right, let's try again. See what happens here. Always fun to unbox a new locomotive, especially when you got it cheap. All right, reverse. Here's forward. Here we go. Obviously it needs a new headlight. It needs to be thoroughly cleaned and lubricated, but it's running. That's the important thing. $4.99. I was the only bidder on this. Okay, wheel sparking has stopped. So the brushes are clean again. Or clean enough to run anyway. Okay, take it around one more time, then we'll run it in reverse. And it's running backwards. All right, it is up and running. So a Marx 898, $4.99, and I was the only bidder. So, excuse me. I'll take this apart. You can see it's missing a screw. So I'll take this apart, get it lubed and tuned, and this is going to be an absolutely splendid addition to the collection. What I'm going to do about the markers, not sure. Like I said, I bought this for the motor, and as you can see, this isn't in terrible condition. It's far from perfect. Somebody's obviously scavenged those for use on another locomotive. And like I said, in the ad, it said that it had been sitting unrun for decades. Like I said, that was their words. So it had been sitting for a very, very long time. Overall condition is not bad at all. The motor's running, that's the important part. Full-size single reduction motor. It has a light bulb. I'm seeing if it's loose. If it is, it may actually light. Let's see what happens. It was loose. Where am I? Here I am. Nope, it's probably burned out. Anyway, so I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As I continually stress, don't overlook the junk. $4.99, and I was the only bidder. Cost more to ship it than it did to buy it. So I just want to do a quick video on the unboxing. Always fun to unbox a new locomotive, like I said, especially when you get them cheap. As you can see, the motor is in fairly decent condition, and that is what I bought it for, to get this motor. Especially when you can get them at prices like this, $4.99. How can you beat that? And it always makes me wonder why no one else bid on this. At prices like that, what do you have to lose? The parts alone are worth more than that. And here I have a running locomotive. Is it perfect? No, it isn't. But it's a original Marx stamped steel locomotive, and it was $4.99. Really difficult to beat that. So anyway, I just want to do a quick unboxing video. So I'll pull the motor out, get this cleaned up, lubed and tuned, and I'll do another video when it's up and running. But so far so good. It runs fairly well considering it just came out of the box. And it was dead as a hammer when I first applied power. It didn't move at all. And just a matter of 2 minutes. Once you get the motor running, it cleans off the brushes and the armature, gets all the oxide off them, get the oxide off the wheels, and this is going to be a really nice running locomotive, I can guarantee you. I can tell that just by how it's running now. So I'll get this lube tuned. I'll do a follow-up video when it's up and running well. I'll put a new light bulb in it. Probably touch up the paint, oil it, and a new 898, $4.99, and I was the only bidder. Really, really difficult to beat that. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.